Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. Thank you. You?
I am very well, thank you.
Pronouns. Number 1. I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
Number 2.
Number 2.
You swim at swimming pool.
You swim at swimming pool.
3.
3.
He studies at school.
He studies at school.
Number 4.
Number 4.
She dance at stage.
She dance at stage.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Eat at table.
Eat at table.
Number 6.
Number 6.
We speak Number 7.
Number 7.
They work at office.
They work at office.
They work